everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Guess what this is? This is Adornable Elements for the month of July. This is the Beads of the Month Club. The Beads of the Month Club from Adornable Elements. I received 2 of them monthly, the Hot and Trendy Beads of the month and the 2 whole beads of the month. You can use, I do have a coupon below, BNJewelry10, to save 10% off on your first order from them. I will leave a link to the code and their website below. Each one of these is $22.95 a month for the single ones, which is what I get. Or they also have a double one, which is $39.95 per month. And they also have quite a few other Beads of the Month Club subscriptions to choose from. They have like seed beads and they have gemstones and all that. So definitely check out their website below. So let's see. Oh, how sweet. Happy Beadiversary. It's been a year since you received your first shipment of beads, and we wanted to celebrate. Give you a special thank you. Special Swarovski crystal gift. Thank you for being alive. We can't wait to see what's in store for you. Oh. Ooh, look at that pretty. Ooh, that's really pretty. Oh. Okay, so let's... So the Hot and Trendy Bead of the Month Club is Eventide Blooms. Oh, look at those. And the 2 whole Bead of the Month Club is Bonfire. I like this subscription because it's a little different from all the other ones I have. The other ones are, you know, these are different beads that a lot of times you don't find in other subscriptions. So I really, really like getting this because it just helps me think outside the box. I just posted a video a couple days ago of all of my finished jewelry from May and June for this, and I used a couple of beads too from you know, months ago too from Adornable Elements, and I really enjoyed just, you know, working with these beads. They're so pretty. So let's get this. Let me see. TNS. I'm just going to set these up really quick. DU. TL. TH. TLH. Q. Look at how pretty these are. D. T. Okay. Get my little cup here. So we're going to start, starting with the Bonfire 2 whole Bead of the Month Club. Look at these. Just look at the, you know, just look at the pattern on here. It's almost like, I don't want it to drop. It's like a little pyramid. And the beads go through on the bottom like that. Look at that. This is a bronze red matte super Cheops Parpuka. Super Cheops Parpuka. 7 grams. And they're so pretty. Look at that. There's so many things you can do with these kinds of beads. They're just, you know. And next is Metallic Matte Beige Tino's Parpukas. Let's see. Oh, okay. Look at how pretty these are. You can see it from, that's it from the side. And then if you go onto the top, you can see there's 2 holes that run that way. I had said it, we got these a couple months ago in one of the other boxes, and I had said it reminds me of the blocks we used to get when we were little kids. I don't know if any of you guys, it was this big wooden box, and it had all these, it was kind of like for, you know, like your first set of blocks or bigger ones. And they used to have like 2 or 3 of these blocks, and I loved their shape. So that's why I think I'm kind of drawn to these. They're very pretty. Next is Galvanized Gray Luster Tilla Beads. Oh, look at these. This is just, I didn't take them all out. So there's the hole. Oh, these are gorgeous. Look at that sparkle and that shine on these. These are amazing. Oh, I can't wait to work with this box. So gorgeous. The next one is Jet Matte Half Tilla Beads. Oh, these will be pretty. Let me grab this right here. These are so pretty. Look at that. Just look at those two together. Imagine like bricklaying this. So pretty. Such a deep black in these. And I think because they're matte, that even shows it off more. Oh, here's some more. Opaque red quarter tilla beads. Ooh. So silver, black, and red. That could be really cool together. Or you could just do red and silver. And I mean, you could even make some Christmas jewelry with that. Red and silver. So pretty. Okay. And next is Lava Red Drop Duos. 40 pieces. Oh, look at these. How pretty are these? Oh, love these. Look at these are gorgeous. This color. I mean, this is the bronze. And then lava red. I mean, you can't get any better than these beads. They're so pretty. Absolutely gorgeous. And then there's two more from here. This is Jet Gold Shimmer 2-hole cabs. Oh, look at the sparkle in this box is off the charts. So this is the front part, and then the back part's flat. And then, oh, and then the 2 holes run that way. So pretty. Oh, we're going to have a blast working with this box this month. Okay, and then last but not least from this box, Crystal Gray Rainbow Super Duos. Oh, how pretty are these? I love the color, the different colors in there. It's like they're pretty close together, but there's enough of a difference to where you see different hues and tones. Like as you move your hand around, you just, so pretty. This 2-hole beads of the Month Club Bonfire is so pretty. Oh, I cannot wait to work with these. Let me get to the other ones and I'll get set up. I'll be right back. So here we are with the Hot and Trendy Beads Eventide Blooms. This first one is Etched Full Slipperit Pellet. Some crazy names, but look at these. Oh, so pretty. I know the camera probably can't capture the radiance of these. They're so pretty. Absolutely love these. These make beautiful jewelry. The striations are like the AB finish on one side, and there's a little bit of matte on it. And it's just so pretty. Number 2 is the pink painted AB engraved look at these, with the hole being right there. And these as well were only one hole. These would make beautiful spacers and something, you know, just even in a regular necklace if you're not sewing. There's so much texture in those. They would really stand out. And look at these. So there's the hole there. So pretty. Love these. They're the same on both sides. This right there. It's like early Christmas. Okay. And the third one is crystal. Here's that word again. Slipperit side drilled teardrops. So there's the hole right there in the top. So see how there's like some AB to it, and then it's clear, and other parts is just, as you move them around, you see the different hues of color and everything. So pretty. I'm going to put one in there just so I know which one is which, because I like to take pictures of this to put on my thumbnail for this so you guys can kind of get a little glance of what I'm opening. Oh, I used these same beads here a lot from the last month. Pastel Montana mushroom beads. It was either last month or the month before. But yes, I like the way these lay because you can intertwine them and it can make like a jagged line. Montana mushroom. Look how pretty that color is. There's a lot more in there. So pretty. I'm going to have a blast with these beads. Okay. Oh, pinch beads. The next one is burgundy pinch. So pinch beads are pretty because they're three-sided. And like these are kind of like a satin, have a satin look to them. You look at those two together. Oh, I can't wait to work with these. Gonna have a blast. Yeah, these are really pretty. I love the colors. There's such richness to the colors. And next is a full slipperit bridge. I hope I'm saying that right. Oh, look at these. And these have 3 holes right there, and then this is it from the side. Absolutely gorgeous. The possibilities are endless with these beads. So pretty. Oh, and then there's 2 more. This next one is Sapphire Capri Gold Rizzo. Let me get this open. Ooh, this is like early Christmas whenever I get this box. Look at these. They have 1 hole. I use these a lot. I posted a video of my finished jewelry from the last 2 months, like I was talking about, and I use these as a little little daggers dangling in between seed beads. And it just put a lot of texture to the bottom of the necklace, more of a focal piece. These are so pretty. Let me put these over here. And, oh, these are always, I always love getting these. And last but not least, the chili pink bow tie beads. These are 3 holes as well. I'm just taking let's get some of them out so you can see. Oh, look at the cream. Got like a creaminess on there. I love those. So those are the 3 holes that run through this way, and then there's different, like, it's kind of like, I don't know if you can see that in the light. There's like a beautiful, like, swirl texture on these. I don't know if I'm getting it or not. But these are gorgeous beads. Oh, I cannot wait to start working with these. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of this gorgeous set of beads. I will leave the link below. Like I said, BNJewelry10. That is the code for 10% off your first order. And I will leave the link below to their website as well. And you can follow me. I have all my social media links below, my Etsy, Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook pages. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing, because I love posting videos like this to give you guys, you know, inspiration. You know, sometimes you can be stuck on watching something or working with something, and then you see somebody do something, and it gives you an idea. So I always am a big believer in that. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and I will see you on my next video. You guys all have a great day. Thank you so much for watching.